Howard, the first thing that we do is we help you identify your keywords for your business, and what are the areas of expertise that you want to know more about. So we went onto Amazon. I had to make a list of Black parenting because he wanted to create some kind of program to help um, raise Black king and queens, because there's so many in the inner city area that are really lost, and he really wants to start a program to help with Black parenting. And with him being a mental health liaison in Dallas County, he sees all of the people from the courts that have been brought in that need to be committed to mental health um, facility, or just need resources to get help. And so he's seen a lot of families fall apart. And so he's seen a lot of children who don't get the parenting that they need. And so that's one of his passions. And so through this, we made a list, and then we researched books. And from those books, then we pulled the reviews of what those readers liked or didn't like. And so from that data, we built his AI machine, his AI blueprint. And so then from there, we started going on and completing, who, with a deep psychographic profile we built from that real market data. And we were using the language that the clients use. And so that way, it was going to be much more real and authentic to now start going into building out his programs, even a course or a book. You could use this framework for many different things, but I'm just giving you what we did with Howard. And so from that, we were able to start building out his programs. He has a podcast, My Brother's Keeper, and it's for young Black men up to Black men in his area or global. Since it's on a podcast, and he's really built his following. And then from that, a lot of us, when we go into business, we think, okay, I'm gonna do X, Y, Z, and I'm gonna make money from that. Well, if you put all your eggs in one basket and you only have one thing that you can make revenue from, and you're not making any revenue, then that's where inconsistency comes in, because you don't know where the next dollar is going to be coming in. And so helping build out your revenue model and financial roadmap is really important. And, every business I have ever been in, or business group I have been a part of, I have heard revenue model, multiple revenue streams, so much in my life, especially as you shift from a business owner, a employee to a business owner, or from a veteran to a business owner. There's all these terms that you're learning. And when they finally sink in, you're seeing the results. It's like light bulbs are going off. Yes, oh, I can make money doing this, or I can offer this service, or I can, make this product and do this. And so it gets really exciting, because when you start seeing different ways you can make revenue, it's really exciting. And that means you're helping more people.